Hello and welcome to FredExcel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to use the fuzzy string matching in Power Query. Now, the fuzzy lookup function is more like a feature that allows you to match one string with the other, partially and not necessarily exact, okay? So let's look at our data set here where we have our master file with its matching serial numbers. And let's say we have our transactional file that has the list of names we'd like to match with our master file to say get the serial numbers for further processing. Now our transactional list here doesn't have all the lists matching our master file with the exact names. For example, the even answer here as compared to the master file has only one N without an E and no H as compared to this master file. But then it's the same person. Regina Tete here has the Tete spelled with one T, but the master file has the Tete with a double T. So if you find yourself in a situation like this, you have nothing to worry about. The fuzzy lookup function will help you extract all your information perfectly. So let's take a look at how to use the fuzzy string matching in this scenario. Now before I go on, please note that this process differs with Excel 365 users. The Excel 365 has an inbuilt fuzzy lookup function, and I'll take you through that in our next video. Now the fuzzy lookup add-in, once downloaded and installed, will show here as a fuzzy lookup tab. Alright, so let's click in here and let's hit on this fuzzy lookup ribbon to add our given data here to Power Query as shown here. So we'll select our tables and select our columns, having the master file at the right column and the list of names at the left column. Next, we'll hit on this icon to add a fuzzy join binding to load it into this match columns feature here to compare our data. And once that is done, you check your tables and the fuzzy lookup similarity. Our number of matches here is 1. And let's play around our similarity threshold here. Let's adjust it to 35%. And before we hit on the go icon, let's select our location, H2, to generate the outcome. Okay. Hit on the go icon, and here you have your data extracted. So you can see that the fuzzy lookup function matched the list of names with the master file with its corresponding serial numbers, as well as the similarity ratings. But then the fuzzy lookup feature couldn't seem to extract all the information we needed. So let's clear and select our location one more time and adjust our similarity threshold again to say 0.25, all right, and hit on go. And yes, this outcome seems to include all the necessary information we need to extract. So you have to play around the similarity threshold and keep reducing the percentage till you get all your data extracted. Thank you for joining in today. Please share this video, like, and subscribe, and we'll be waiting your feedback in our comment section. See you in our next video.